Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of Jamaica to explore a hidden gem that's making waves in the Caribbean Ocean Coral Spring. This newly built luxury all-inclusive resort is nestled on the pristine white sandy shores of Coral Spring in Trelawney. And let me tell you, it's a slice of paradise that's got everyone talking. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Ocean Coral Spring doesn't mess around when it comes to comfort and style. The rooms here are a perfect blend of modern chic and Caribbean cool. Picture this. You walk into your spacious air-conditioned room, and the first thing that hits you is the vibrant decor that screams tropical getaway. But it's not just about looks. These rooms are packed with all the amenities you could want. We're talking flat-screen satellite TVs for when you need a break from all that sunshine, comfy seating areas for lounging, and safes to keep your valuables secure while you're out living your best beach life. Now let's talk bathrooms. They're not just bathrooms, they're your personal spa retreats. Spacious, well-lit, and stocked with complimentary toiletries that'll make you feel like royalty. And don't worry about bad hair days. They've got you covered with hair dryers in every room. Oh, and for all you clean air enthusiasts out there, you'll be happy to know that smoking is a big no-no inside the rooms. Fresh, crisp air all day, every day. While the exact room categories aren't spelled out in neon lights, we can tell you that there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway with ocean views or a family-friendly suite with space for the kids to run wild, Ocean Coral Spring has got you covered. And for those of you who like to live large, there are even exclusive privilege rooms that come with extra perks. It's like being a VIP in paradise. Now let's talk grub, because let's face it, half the fun of a vacation is the food, right? Ocean Coral Spring doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. They've got a smorgasbord of restaurants and bars that'll take your taste buds on a world tour without ever leaving the resort. We're talking international cuisine that'll make your head spin in a good way. From casual beachside bites to fancy schmancy dinner spots, there's a dining experience for every mood and occasion. Want to keep it low-key in your flip-flops? No problem. Feeling like dressing up for a romantic dinner? They've got you covered there too. And the best part? It's all included in your stay. That's right, folks. You can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about the bill at the end of the night. While we don't have the exact menus, because where's the fun in spoiling all the surprises, we can tell you that the chefs here are culinary wizards. They're whipping up dishes that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a Caribbean vacation without a fruity cocktail in hand? Whether you're a mojito fan or more of a pina colada person, the bartenders here have got the skills to keep you sipping happy all day long. Now let's dive into what really makes Ocean Coral Spring shine, the pools and beaches. Folks, this place is a water lover's dream come true. First off, they've got not one, not two, but multiple large swimming pools. And we're not talking about your average, run-of-the-mill pools here. These are expansive, sparkling oases that are perfect for everything from lazy floating to splashy fun. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of a lazy river? Well, they've got one here, and it's anything but lazy. This gentle current will carry you along on a journey of pure relaxation. Grab a tube, hop in, and let your worries float away. It's like a theme park ride, but way more chill. And for the kiddos or the young of heart, there's a water park that'll have them squealing with delight. Slides, splash zones, and water features galore. It's an aquatic playground that'll keep the little ones entertained for hours. But let's not forget the main attraction, the beach. Ocean Coral Spring is blessed with a stretch of white sand that'll make your toes tingle with excitement. The turquoise Caribbean waters are right there, beckoning you for a swim, a snorkel, or just a peaceful float. It's a kind of beach that postcards are made of, and it's all yours to enjoy. For the more adventurous types, there's a water sports and diving center right on site. Whether you want to try your hand at kayaking, take a diving course, or explore the vibrant underwater world with a snorkel, they've got you covered. And for the certified divers out there, get ready to explore some of the most beautiful reefs in the Caribbean. Now let's talk activities, because Ocean Coral Spring is all about keeping you entertained. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or more of a spa enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with a fitness center. It's got all the equipment you need to keep up with your workout routine, or maybe start a new one. Hey, no judgment here. We're on vacation. But if pumping iron isn't your thing, don't worry. There's a whole world of activities to choose from. Want to learn some new dance moves? They've got classes for that. Feeling competitive? Join in on one of the many games and tournaments they organize. And for those who prefer their activities with a side of culture, there are often workshops and demonstrations that'll give you a taste of Jamaican traditions. Now let's talk relaxation, because what's a luxury resort without some serious pampering? Enter the Despacio Spa Center. This place is a haven of tranquility where stress goes to die. While we don't have the full menu of treatments, again, gotta keep some surprises, we can tell you that it's the kind of place where you walk in feeling like a mere mortal and leave feeling like a god or goddess. Imagine sinking into a massage table as expert hands work out every knot and tension in your body. Picture yourself lounging in a sauna, letting the heat melt away your worries. Or how about a facial that'll have your skin glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun? Whatever your relaxation poison, the Despacio Spa Center has got you covered. And for those of you traveling with little ones, Ocean Coral Spring has thought of everything to keep the kiddos happy and entertained. Their kids club is like a mini paradise within paradise. While we don't have the exact details of the programs, because kids love surprises too, we can tell you that it's the kind of place where boredom is not in the vocabulary. Picture this, a colorful, fun-filled space where kids can make new friends, play games, and let their imaginations run wild. There are likely arts and craft sessions, mini sports tournaments, and maybe even some cool local cultural activities. And the best part? While the kids are having the time of their lives, parents can sneak off for some much-needed R&R. It's a win-win situation. But the family fun doesn't stop there. Remember that water park we mentioned earlier? Yeah, that's going to be a hit with the little ones. And let's not forget about the beach and pools, hours of splashy fun for the whole family. Ocean Coral Spring really goes above and beyond to make sure that families have everything they need for a memorable vacation. Now let's talk about what's beyond the resort, because as amazing as Ocean Coral Spring is, Jamaica has so much to offer. The resort is perfectly positioned to let you explore some of the island's most incredible attractions. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away, okay, maybe a short drive, is the famous Dunn's River Falls. Picture cascading waterfalls that you can actually climb. It's like Mother Nature's own water park. If you're into history and culture, you've got to check out Rose Hall Great House. This 18th century plantation house comes with its own spooky legend about the White Witch of Rose Hall. It's a great way to add a bit of intrigue to your sun-soaked vacation. For nature lovers, the Luminous Lagoon is a must-see. This natural wonder is home to microscopic organisms that glow in the dark, creating a magical, ethereal experience when you take a nighttime boat ride. It's like swimming in a sea of stars. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.